we do a hour and a half trip.
How much is that?
That is for 9,300 Jamaican dollars.
For hour and a half.
Yes.
Okay. So what that include?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What that include?
That include like might only swimming in the river, take nice pictures and so forth. Nice beautiful scene.
And you don't sell like Jamaica things down there?
No, not no sell down there.
Okay.
What time your last one got?
I don't hear.
Which part we can get some Jamaica things about?
Like in Port Anthony town, it's like 10 minutes drive away.
Alright, we'll go up there and come back. What's your name?
Junior.
Junior. So we'll come back and ask you, Junior. You want to give me your
Alright,
number?
I'll leave. I'm going to wait on you.
You give me your number?
Alright.
Oh, you want my number?
Yeah. So
423.
hold on. So it's 1876.
Yes, 1876.
1876
423
423
79.
79 Junior.
Captain Junior.
Yeah, big up
Captain
yourself,
Junior.
Number in the back. Captain 15.
Captain.
So all our number, 200 over there, that's why you see so many
Yeah.
rush.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll get to Jamaica stuff and we're coming back.
Yeah, man.
And you're gonna
Coming
give us
right
some
here
beautiful
waiting on you.
scenery
Yeah, man.
and pictures
Yes.
and things.
And maybe if you want to swim, because this water, when every time you swim in it, it's like 5 or 10 years younger.
Yes, we take it a swim then.
I'm 59.
So how old
crocodile.
are you then? You're only 5-year-old.
That's true.
Alright, we're coming back.
You can-
So hold on, Nick. You don't want to come with me?
Yeah, man, no problem.
Jump in then, man, and show what you think them there. We used to come back and you're gone.
Yeah. Now call me out back way then.
You can just go spin down this.
Alright, no worry, go on.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, it's a Portland, man. We know all things about Portland.
The thing live, man.
Yeah. Even this rafting now we started.
1911.
Yeah, so my grandfather were in it, then my father, then it hand over into me now. And service for this rafting here.
Yeah.
32.
Yeah, man, true.
Wow.
Wow.
So you're the perfect person to take us on the road
Yes,
then.
real perfect person to take you on the raft. Yeah, man. So now we're going to Port Anthony, and our captain for the Rio Grande rafting for over 32 years.
Wow.
So this rafting have been originate in Portland.
Yeah.
It have been originate by, we usually plant banana. You know, Portland is a banana place. We plant enough banana here, you know.
Yeah.
So banana is like our green gold. So we used to plant the banana near the riverside.
Yeah.
So
Cool.
right, so we used to take the raft them now to take out the banana nearby where the truck can get it to go to the wharf or sell to the Jamaica United Food Company in Port Anthony. So when I hear the captain for the ship come and saying, "Wow, I'm gonna see which part the banana plant."
Yeah.
So after the ship dock in the harbour of Port Anthony, him take a taxi and come to look where the banana plant. So when he come, he see the raft we use as a transport
Wow.
to take out the banana.
Okay.
He said, "Now let's build a seat on it and
Oh.
take people down the river, 8 miles down the Rio Grande River. It will take you 3 hours.
Okay.
Yeah, for that long trip, it will take you 3-4 hours.
Wow.
So from that 1911, so from that all rafts started to come down the river now.
Down the river.
Right. So my grandfather were in it at that time. Then my grandfather do his time and leave. My father take a part of it, and then him leave to a gun. So me take a part of it too.
So now you're controlling a part of it.
Yes. So
Oh,
now
wow,
we
that
are.
is
Yes,
amazing.
we are the third descendants now in this rafting.
Wow.
Yeah, man, we're living up on that hill there.
Oh.
Yeah, so this district is district named Snow Hills.
Snow Hill.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
It's an amazing.
It's a nice little villa here, paradise in.
Yeah.
Yes, of course. Yeah.
Yeah, man, we're looking forward to going down that.
Okay, yes. The next
Yes,
trip
man.
around, we do that. Remember when we are going to do the long trip, we have to start like from 10 o'clock in the morning.
Come back, you know.
Yeah, man.
Come
And
back,
then you
come
get
back,
some
yeah.
good scenery, some good picture of hills and valley, the formation of the Blue Mountain.
Wow.
Yeah.
From 10.
Yes, from 10, like we get on the raft from 10.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. So we come all the way.
Now what time will they come off?
We have a bar and a restaurant and a gift shop in the middle. In 8 miles of Kondong, you know. So in the middle, they have a restaurant right there, like where that is a stop break. So when we're coming from so far, this is the first stop. You stop and eat and swim and
Like,
drink
what
a
kind
cup.
of food there is,
Yes, the girl can cook very good too. He have naming like in the number 1 cook out of Portland. Out of 5, him my first one.
Okay, so what kind of...
What's on the menu?
Well, you see, when you want, it's a cook to order thing.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, since he used to cook every day, you know, but from the coverage take over and so on, him change it like to a cook to order.
Okay.
Yeah, so where you going to come now, you call me this evening, and me order your food, me tell you what you cook, what it's like, so we order.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the College of Agriculture.
And how much that one cost for the whole day?
For the whole day?
From 10, no, from 10 o'clock.
From 10.
Yes.
Me, I go spend more time with this. 3 hours supposed to last, you know.
Yeah.
But me make you stay 4 hours, enjoy some of our own heritage here.
Yeah. How much that cost?
That will cost like 120. Oh, and 90 US feet, you know, for the long one there.
Okay. Oh, in a Jamaican currency, whatever.
Oh, yeah, man, you understand, you know. Like, right now, Jamaican are like 14,000 Jamaican dollars.
And that are from 10 to 2.
Right, yes, so they're from 10 to 2, yeah.
But this one today is just an hour and a half.
Right, it's an hour and a half, yeah.
So what we're going to see on this one?
This one, we have pretty scenery. We are going to see, like, natural living. Whole first time people used to live, you see a lot of people on the beach. Well, sometimes you see even the reindeer, because the reindeer get away from Somerset Fall and they are breeding up all of that like hillside, top side of the river.
Okay.
So we have reindeer wild in Jamaica.
Really?
Right.
I've never seen that before.
Yeah, up to me catch 2 of them already.
What?
Yeah?
Yeah, man, I catch one where I have 10 sprung on him and it's a male one.
Oh, wow.
So him is 10-year-old. Yeah, so each sprung show you say it's 1 hair.
Oh, each year grass sprung.
Yeah, each year in grass sprung.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Well, we're going to get our garments and then we're going to be rolling.
Yeah, man, I take some pictures and stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
So, like what kind of garments you want now?
Some Jamaica print.
Jamaica print.
Okay, Jamaican prints.
Yeah. So this is the Port Antonio twin pair. Okay.
First pair is over there, will be a new one up here.
Oh.
So we're going towards it to take the suit.
Okay. Man, this place is beautiful, you know? Yeah.
So the ship land way up this up and the last one up this.
Oh, and the last pair up there.
Navy Island. Even you about the Navy Island.
Yeah.
The Navy Island is like 33 or so acre land.
Wow.
But and the sea surrounded.